Hello guys, today I want to teach you MS Excel. Use of formula sum. Get start. Hello guys, how to sum formula using Excel. Get start. Formula start equal type sum m shift bracket column G row 9 तो G9 plus shift plus and last with sum H column 89 and with row 9 H9 shift close bracket get enter sum formula use equal type sum SUM column G before shift bracket column G and row 10 G10 plus shift click plus each column last column H first column G last column H row 10 तो H10 shift close bracket get enter 135 sum formula value 135 and next click equal type sum SUM shift bracket first column G and row 11 G11 plus shift press plus and last column H row 11 H11 shift close bracket get enter total sum value 175 you know that guys sum formula used you know that and explain big question use for sum formula. Hello guys, how to sum formula using Excel. Today math, science, EVS, Hindi, English, total how to use sum formula. RAM total subject score equal first of all sum type SUM shift bracket science math column start first column math G column with row 10 row G10 plus shift last column K subject English row 10 G10 last column K10 plus shift close get enter. Total marks 3773. Ram marks. Second, Raju marks equal sum type SUM, shift bracket first column of Raju G, start math G with row 11 G11 shift same type. Last column last column K, row 11 means K11 shift close bracket get enter. Raju total marks 4642. Next Sonu first column G, before first use equal, type sum because you to sum formula use SUM, shift bracket start G, Sonu marks total G column row with Sonu 12 G12, shift same type. Last column K, row 12 K12 shift close bracket get enter. Sonu marks 3552. Next Prince, you get full watch guys, your help sum formula used equal, type sum shift bracket start math G column with row 13 G13 shift same type. Last column K or row 13 K13 shift close bracket get enter. Total marks 4447. Next next Beer, click equal sum type SUM, shift bracket first column G with row 14 G14 same type. Last column K, row 14 K14 shift close bracket get enter. You know that guys, total marks Beer 42,205.